create, go to the object, go to your project, click on new, master detail relationship, click on next. Want to connect it with client, right? So select client, go to next. Okay, so now if you see, there is a master detail relationship field here, which is called client. Okay, so this field is on the project object. Now if you try to create a project, so first of all let me create client I have created IBM Limited. Let me go and create a project, create a new project. Starts on 22nd May, ends on 29th May. It's a 40 hours project. Client name is IBM Limited. So I'm able to connect it with the client. Save it. Okay. Interesting thing is, do you see an owner field here? All records in Salesforce have an owner field. In case you have created a project object yesterday, after yesterday's session, in case someone created that one, you can go back and see your project object initially had an owner, but now there is no owner. So because it's a master detail relationship. So does it mean that there is no owner for this record, IBM Consulting? No. It means that owner for this record will be owner of this record, owner of its parent. So owner of the parent record will become owner of this record also, right? Clear on this? Any question? Please let me know in case we have any questions.
Actually, I am having one question.
Tell me.
Yes, actually we got some message like to create the lookup. We are having already existing a file. So what did you remove from there?
No, see, master detail relationship whenever you want to create, not for lookup. In case you want to create a lookup, it would have got created easily. But when you want to create a master detail relationship, so for that it is important that you do not have any data in that object, in the child object, right? If you have data in the child object, then it cannot create a master detail relationship. So for that reason, what I did, there was just one record in the project that I created yesterday. So I deleted that record and then I created the master detail relationship. Correct?
Okay.
Because the data which is already existing, it cannot find a parent for it. Yesterday I created a record and I did not assign any parent for it because there was no relationship. Now the moment I start creating master detail relationship, it cannot create it because for the existing record it does not know parents. Right? For that reason, it does not allow you to create a master detail relationship if you have existing data in that table or in that object. So I just went and deleted one record and then I created the master detail relationship.
Jeet, this is Shyam here. In my case, my child object had almost 10 records or so. So I went the other route, creating the lookup first. And now when I'm looking at the custom fields, I can see the client custom field, which is data type lookup and within brackets client. All of that looks good. But when I go to my project and open one of the projects, I don't get to see the new field there. And still the owner is Shyam Sen. But again, I don't see the new field.
You created the field on which object? On client or on project?
On project, let me see. Did I do a mistake here? It's on project, yeah.
Can you just share your screen
I
now?
can see. Yes. How can I go about doing that? Yes. Can you see it now?
Okay.
Now
No.
I'll scroll up. This is my project custom object.
No, cannot see your screen.
And here
yet.
is my.
Now it's fine. Now it's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Now you can
Start
see.
sharing.
Okay. So this is the custom object project. And here is my new field, the custom field lookup client. So looks like the new lookup field has been properly defined. You want to take over?
Please share your screen now.
Can you see it now?
Yes, the field is created, that's fine.
Yeah, but when I go to my project field, I don't see that field. For example, I'll open my first record within projects. I don't see the new field here, client. Is something missing?
Click on edit.
It still won't come up.
Go to setup. Create objects.
You want to look at project?
Objects. Which object? Project. Okay. Scroll down.
Project. And here is my new lookup custom field client. I can edit it and show it to you. Do you want me to edit it?
No.
Is there a way I can control visibility within the client custom field definition? Wherein I define it as lookup.
Client field is created. Click on. Click on edit.
I just kept on clicking on it without realizing.
Okay, no worries. Let's do one thing. Just go ahead and yeah. First of all, please mute your microphone.
Okay.
Yeah, please go ahead and delete this field, and then you can create one more field. I think you might have made a small mistake somewhere. So for the time being, if you just delete it, it should be fine. Should not be any problem. And then create one more.
Okay. Okay, I'll delete it.
Fine. So, maybe you can just delete and create one more and try to work on that. That would be fine.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Okay. So, we have understood the relationship part. Let me know in case we have any questions. So all of you should be able to create a relationship between project and clients, right? And any database, model that we take. Yesterday we were talking about, first of all we decide on the objects that need to be created. So the moment you create the objects, next thing that you'll have to start thinking on is the fields which need to be connected. Right, so that is the thing. So there we need to start thinking on the relationship field. Think of which is the parent, which is the child. Go and create the relationship field on the child and decide on whether it should be a lookup or a master detail. Okay. In case you do not remember these things while creating the field, also you must have noticed that lookup and master detail relationship in front of those. You have the complete details given. So while you try to create the field itself, that time also we see when you try to create a new relationship field, here also you get to see lookup master detail. So all the differences that I told you there are mentioned here, pretty clearly mentioned here. So you can just refer to this and then create your relationship field. Alright. So I think that's fine. So we'll just